Greeting. This is Ahmed with another Primavera P6 lesson. In this lesson, I would like to show you how to limit could be changed in your project. If I double click on this day, you can find 8 hours for limit, but this day 12 hours for resource limit. This is the second day of project. Have a 12 hours limit, 2.29 hours for overallocation, and actual is 40.29. But this day is only 8 hours for limit. But how I can change it to the 12 hour for resource limit for every day? It's very easy. You can go to your resource sheet, go to detail tab, and this is your calendar. This is my calendar, 7 days. If I create my personal calendar, and my personal calendar is a copy based on my 7-day work week calendar. So if you create your personal calendar and go to your work week, 12 hour from Sunday to Wednesday, but Thursday is 8. I change it to the 12, Friday 12, and Saturday 12. Without no exception, 12-hour work week. And push OK button. Default unit time change to 12. OK, come back to activity sheet. My resource limit is changed to 12 hours for each day. You can change it, you can see it on this dialog box. Day of 18, day of 21, to day of 26. I hope this lesson is useful for you. Please keep in touch with my LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram for further lessons. Thank you.